So why is design important? I recently read a statistic that those companies that are design-led, their revenue is actually over 30%. So it's actually, it increases when they have design as their forefront. You know, they have the design teams internally, and they're focusing on design and how to better, you know, serve their users, whether it be an app or a website or a platform or even products. You know, they're putting design as the first thing that they're focusing on, and the revenue is showing the revenue is actually increased over 30%. That's pretty high. You know, especially if you see these big brands like, you know, Nike and Apple, you know, design is very important to them, and they apply it. So you need to see yourself as a solution. You're a designer, a graphic designer, an illustrator, a web designer, whatever you are, you got to see yourself as a solution. You got to see yourself as someone that's helping a business, a small business, medium business, a brand, whatever it is, that you're the solution, that you're helping them. So you need to communicate that you're trying to give them value, that you're trying to help them grow their business. Even though if it might be an investment up front, you know, whatever they're paying, you know, you got to see yourself as someone that's going to, you know, boost them and help them. So design is important. See, design is so important because everything in this day and age is not only is it visually communicated, but it's all digital now and not just print. So people are on, you know, social media, they're on so many different platforms that there's always visuals to communicate a message, and there's always visuals or symbols to communicate, you know, something. So we are here to communicate effectively, whether it doesn't matter what platform it is or what format or medium it is in, we're communicating that. So you got to see design as important. You know, it's not just a hobby or a creative thing that we just do. Even though it can do that, you can do art and stuff or design for fun, 100%. But when you're dealing in the real world and when you want to be a freelancer and run your own business, you got to see yourself as a solution. Design is so important, you know, especially logo design and all that, because everything is about being personal and dealing with someone. And, you know, when people deal with people, they're going to see your image, whether it be a logo or your mark on a billboard or a building, and people are going to associate those things with the person and the brand and all that stuff. So design is so important. Leave a comment below on what your thoughts about design is, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more design content every week.